We are out here at Shutterfest 2025, St. Louis, Missouri. I got a good one for you. We're shooting energy drink shoot. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not going to say the name. I apologize if the audio is like really loud, but as Kayla spins around, you're going to see exactly how many people are in here.
You see, the hustle that keeps the lights on isn't the same one that grows the empire. You have to have that craving for more. So stop listening to the chatter and focus on reaching for greatness. And no matter what, keep making bangers. I am Josh Russell.
So we are going to shoot this amazing banger photo with Veronica. You know her, you've seen her. We're gonna kill this right here. So what I have is, first of all, I have one of my new friends' cheetah stand. I'm using one of their cheetah stands. I will put the link and the information about what cheetah stand this is. I think it is the 12-foot one. I don't want to lie and say something, but I'll put the information right here. Using a Westcott FJ400 Mark II, just came out a couple months ago. And then in the back, I actually have an FJ80 version 2 with a red gel on it. So come on back, I want to show you what I'm doing. Sorry, Matt. This is Veronica, by the way. You've seen her, you know her, you love her. So what I have, and this is gonna get really echoey, but what I have is an FJ80 Mark II pointed. Usually what I would do is I would point it towards this wall. I don't want to do that this time. I'm actually pointing it this direction because I want it to grow and kind of live from this hole, this arch, because I don't want it to affect the gold. So that's why I have it set up like this. The audio or the light is coming out. You're good. The light is coming out. This is still gonna stay gold. I have the Manny Ortiz set up, so let's go check the Manny out. FJ400 Mark II with the Manny Ortiz 32-inch beauty dish, and then I have a grid on it. So what we're gonna do is we're just focusing that light with the grid right on Veronica, and then the red light is gonna live from behind her then. So I'm all set up. We can come over here. I'm gonna turn this on. What's up, what's up? We're gonna get a little bit of new stuff with the metas here. That's Jesslyn of the Banger Squad, just walking through, no problem. All right, ready? I mean, you make it really easy for me to do my job. Look out this way again. Now look up towards my light. Wow. I have this thing where I just shoot you in archways. Yeah, for sure. Like, because we did that archway out there, the first shot we ever did.
I love it.
It's like the red is glowing like from you.
It's amazing.
Oh yeah. Those wings look freaking awesome. What in the world?
The whole space.
Yeah, and then with the red light hitting her too, like it's just spot on. But what I'm doing for the most part is just using that grid just to light her, and then the red, you guys can come up through, it's all good. Just using the red gel, or just using that grid to light up her, and then the red gel in the background is actually coming this way, so it is lighting up pretty much the whole space, but it's still leaving enough where some of that gold off that flake is coming through, and it is just Banger City. Banger City. That's where we're staying this week. I don't know. Side tangent before I get into the editing though, if you've never checked out Shutterfest, this is my 4th year here, shutterfest.com. Is it .com? .org? The link will be right here. You'll see it on the screen. Check out Shutterfest. Look them up on Facebook. It is definitely a different type of conference. It is just more of an experience, more of a party, a fun time, and you get to hang out with me. So what else could be good? What else could be better?